What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, we starting this one off in a dually today. I done already loaded up the 131, as you guys see, man. You guys seen we came down this weekend and pretty much just ripped the belt off when we was riding and sliding with the homies. But that just gave us an opportunity to make it that much better, man. We are about to take it back down to the homie shop. The guy who worked on our Road King, because our Road King is actually done today with the dyno and everything, so we'll be cutting up on that in a little bit. But it just gave me an opportunity to make the 131 that much better, man. So we about to throw a chain on that thing and get that thing together. I can't wait to throw that thing on there and really see how that ride with that chain is definitely going to be a whole different bike, that's for sure. We'll see how that goes, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We are already in the city of dreams, Los Angeles, California right now. So I'm about to go pull up on the homie real quick, try to offload this bike, pick up the Road King, and then we'll probably test it out and ride it with you guys on our way to go link up with some of the other homies, man. So we're gonna see what we can get done, man. We are on this road to 100,000 subscribers, man. So if you guys haven't subscribed, man, hit that subscribe button below for your boy, man. It's free and easy to do, man. I definitely appreciate it. And if you guys haven't entered the static, man, you guys know I'm giving away my BMW i8, the one with the doors that go up, paired together for first place with our matching 2018 Road King, the one that we're picking up today with all the oohs and ahs on that joint, man. I can't wait. Second place, we got our 2018 Road Glide with the 131 on that joint back there in my background. And third place, we got our 2019 Road Glide Special with all the everything regular oohs and ahs on it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either of them Jones, man, all you guys got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy this camo Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are just about halfway sold out, man, so the time is now. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, it could be you next. We could be pulling up to your door with one of these bikes, or you can be coming out here taking delivery of this i8, and I'll ship out the Road King to your house wherever your about's at. But we'll figure it out, man. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a camo hat. Meanwhile, it's time to get this day started, man. Let's go up. And we out here for the first ride, man. Cam 107, man. We about to go up. About to see what this thing do for the first time, man. We got big chain gang on this, so I know what time it is, man.
This little motherfucker hot, huh?
Just got y'all see the police down there?
Yeah, we seen them down there. They went.
I was like, man, I had to get up out of there. This motherfucker. Look tight or what? Sound good, too.
We about to see how this Everything Regular puts his bike. You probably got to stand there straight up.
No kickstand, right?
What we got the plan of doing now? Kickstand? He said he gonna put 2 bikes on the back of his truck. Got the pretty things up in there. You see that chain? He said he coming.
All right, we got one in there. Well,
no.
For sure. That's definitely better for sure. You were seeing what I was seeing. Yeah.
That's straight up. Kickstand on both?
Oh, great. Oh, yeah, it's a movie. It's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here in the southest of the centralists, man. Y'all see what's going on, dog. Alrighty, guys. We got these things loaded up. Oh, my goodness. We got the freaking 2 Harleys in the dually. That's freaking nuts, man. Look at that. That thing looks crazy. It looks like a dang Jolly Rancher or something. Definitely looks good. Definitely looks good. I'm digging it. I ain't gonna hold you. I love it right now. You sliding through this traffic and this big blue thing with the bikes in the back of the back, fitting more than one. Hey man, it don't get no better than this. This thing looks freaking sick. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. And just like that, guys, we done made it to the house. We got both of these joints still on the back of their backs. So now it's time to take these things off, get them offloaded. Man, strapping these things was kind of different compared to the way we usually strap. But then the way we usually strap is not with 2 bikes. So I guess it's pretty normal. But we got these things up here, man. I'm about to flip the truck around and try to get these things offloaded. Man, this freaking blue thing is a beast. I was sliding this thing yesterday. Definitely sliding this thing yesterday. It was a freaking fun ride. Can't wait. Let's see, trying to pull these things off because I got chains on both of them now, man. I'm not even gonna hold y'all no more. Just like that, guys, we got these things back home. Looking oh so good. Now our Road King rotors have came in. So we'll probably be putting that up on the jack stand right now. Putting these rotors on there. Switching those out, and then we'll be putting on the bags and stuff here. But we did get the chain kit for this bad boy. So it's on a chain. That thing is acting so crazy right now. Then we got our gold chain on this daddy-o, man. So real exciting. Can't wait to see what this one does. Have to clean them both up and just get this thing sorted out and straightened out and ready to go, man. What y'all think? Just like that, guys, we got our rotors on that bad boy. Now, when we start braking, the black will come off and it'll be like chrome or like stainless steelish look. But all in all, the rotors will be matching the bike, and that's freaking dope. We got our 131 here chained up and stuff ready to go. Now, my idea is, I don't know which one is going to be louder, honestly. Like the 107 is kind of obnoxious, and the 131 is kind of subtle compared to the 107, man. I kind of want to pull them out and see which one is louder on the first startup. And then probably take y'all on a quick ride on the Road King, just because yesterday I was just enjoying it myself. But I think I'll take you guys for a ride with me this morning or something. Something quick, nothing too crazy. But we'll get these things pulled out and see which one is louder, man. Let's check it out. But before that, man, we're going to switch these grips out real quick, because I legit can't take these grips anymore, man. These things is like super whooped and just not my style, man. So I'm gonna switch these out real quick. Alrighty, guys, we got these things pulled out. We got the grips changed out there. So we good to go. These things is looking spicy back to back. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you, man. And I wish my freaking bike from Memphis was here so we can literally have them, all 3 or 4 bikes rather, complete out here ready to go, lined up. But I ain't gonna even hold y'all no longer. I'm anxious to see what these things is gonna sound like, man. Not really more so this one, but that daddy-o right there. So we're gonna crank this one up and see what we can get out of this. Okay. Pretty subtle on the startup. Pretty subtle on the startup, man. Pretty subtle on the startup. Now it's time for the roll cane. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, Jack. Woo. I don't know. I think the roll king might got a little bit more umph to it. Cut off. Yeah, I really don't know which one. That Road King ain't no joke. This one definitely sound way more deeper and rowdier. I ain't gonna hold you. The Road King sounds good, but I think on wide open throttle, I don't know, the 131 might get it, man. We're gonna see what's up. I'm gonna pull these things back in real quick. Finally about to ride this thing on the freeway, man. I know on the street it's different, but I really want to open it up and see what it's riding like, feeling like, man. I know it popped clutch, so let's put this thing on the freeway and see what it do wide open throttle. just like that, guys, we done made it back to the house. This thing is riding pretty good. I'm telling you, it ain't really nothing compared to the 131, of course, when you like, you know, really get on it. But like having fun wise, this is definitely like the fun bike for sure. So the fun street bike, man, and then you got the fun highway bike. I'm gonna actually take this one on a ride and stuff. I don't really want to go too crazy on it until we actually dyno it and stuff. So I'm just take it easy on this one. But this one is all ready to go, man. Like I said, man, really fun bike, guys. We got the rotors on there, shaved off some of that blackness, so it is looking good, man. We got all three right here, man. This can be yours. All you guys gotta do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go buy you a camo Everything's Regular hat, and you can win either one of these Harley Davidsons paired together for first place, of course, with our BMW to the 8, man. Yes, sir. This can be you. I don't even know if it's open. Oh, and it's open. Yep, it was meant to be. This can be you, BMW i8, the one with the doors that go up on them blue Forgiatos. Now, you guys know I do got the stock wheels for it, so it'll come with the stock wheels as well. But we got the i8 here ready to go, matching the Road King, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, dog. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We finally picked up our 2018 Road King, man. That thing is riding nice, sliding even better. I ain't gonna hold you. Popping clutch on that thing is way easier now with the chain, of course. It's just gonna have that tire spinning. Now, we got a Harley Davidson tire back there, so I'm gonna upgrade the tire, get something a little grippier, and then we'll maybe be able to pull that thing off the floor, man. That's the plan. We'll see what we can do. I can't wait to check it out. Meanwhile, we also got our chain kit installed on our 131 here, because as you guys seen over the past weekend, man, I thought it was a couple of teeth and stuff like that on the belt, but however, when I looked at it yesterday, literally, it was like dang near the whole belt was like missing teeth, man. So glad we was able to get that switched out. Now we got a gold chain on the 131 back there. It should be getting dyno, I guess, next week, man. You guys know how Harley is. They be so busy and booked up, man. So we're scheduled in for next week. After the dyno, we should be heading down to Memphis for the pound for pound event. I can't wait for that. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either of these bikes, man, I'm giving them all away along with my BMW i8 across the street, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you this camo Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, we got these things looking oh so good back here. Oh so good, man. Which one is your favorite? I like this blue. It's sitting up proper. Then that chalk gray is looking nice. It's just real subtle, real cruiser like. And then we got the beast from the Middle East, Mr. 131, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I had fun sliding on these things, man, but I'm trying to get y'all this video so y'all can see what I see. It's lit. With that being said, man, if you guys haven't subscribed, man, you guys know we are on this road to 100,000 subscribers, man. So if you haven't already, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy, man. Click that like button before you head out. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Until the next one, man, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.